out. Shades and you know the vibes. Doorman, blue cheese and we inside. Real low, yeah, we slipping like a riptide. Pink pills, drop through the trapdoor. Back room, red ropes, there's a little more. Cheap thrills, I got what you're looking for. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before. You ain't seen nothing like this before.
Come get real close, let me show you something.
Ang ganda naman itong kapatid ni Steven. So parang na-amaze ako, nagandahan ako, parang may special dito.
Alam mo ba, munti ka na sumuko ang puso ko sa paulit-ulit na pagkakataon na nasaktan na bigo. Mukhang delikado na naman ako. Bakit ba kinikilig na naman ako?
2021, alas 8 ng gabi sa Rockwell. Nakakatuwa kasi bigla niya akong pinapunta at sasabihin niya sa akin, tayo na.
Sana forever na to.
In-start namin yung parang date namin na with God.
This is a very grateful and blessed day indeed to the both of you, Jericho and Princess.
Ikaw ang aking nakasalubong, ating awit ay iginuhit ng langit.
Jericho, did you come here from free will to bind yourself forever the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father.
Natupad aking pulong kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napalapit.
Napaka-family-oriented na tao.
Sa akin napatingin sa liwan-liwan.
Na-challenge yung relationship namin sa LDR for 1.5 or 2 years. Now, we're here. Kaharap na kita sa altar ng aking pinagsisilbihan for almost half of my life. Finally, nandito na tayo.
Palakpakan ho natin ng dalawa, si Princess at si Jericho. And today, we are celebrating a love that was formed not only for the decision or due to the decision of Jericho and Princess, pero ang pagmamahalan ho na ipinagkaloob sa kanila ng Diyos.
Bring wonder, you bring holiday.
I will always pray for you and this relationship growing on in the Lord. And whatever problem we may face, I will always be here for you. I love you so much.
iPad Air.
iPad Air. Thank you sa iPad Air. May pang-vlog na ako. So, love you.
Wow, thank you. To my princess, gusto ko mas maganda ka. Kana, Maya, see you later. I love you, my love. From Jericho. Thank you, my love. Pag iPhone. Sana susunod meron ulit. For more than 2 years, nakilala natin ang isa't isa. So wala nang atrasan to. I want to be with you for the rest of my life. Mahal na mahal kita.
You are my constant. Ikaw ang aking jackpot. My winning hand. Through the highs and lows, manalo man o matalo, I am all in. All in.